Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 21st Jan 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 20 points up move at the level of 10,955 just because US markets have done pretty great for itself on Friday. 335 points up move on DowJones, 72 points up move on Nasdaq and 34 points up move on S&P. So every market is up by 1% and above in Friday session in US markets. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's pre-open and open session. Today SGX Nifty probably may see a downturn again or probably a sideways move because the market is in a overbought zone. The fast stochastic and slow stochastic is indicating that market is already in overbought zone. We are supposed to come down or go sideways from here onwards before we go right up or shoot upwards. The 11,000 is an area where we will see after a bit of consolidation is what the market is suggesting as of now. The 10-day moving average is lending a great support for the market at the level of 10,850 level. See, there is a level where the market has stopped two times in last two sessions. So that's the place where the market is taking support at the 10-day moving average. The supports and resistances for today are supports being 10,900, 10,880 and 10,849, that is 10,850 levels and 10,832 levels, and the 200-day moving average is at 10,821. That will be a very strong support for the market if we have to see a downward movement in the market. Upward, what are the resistances? The levels of resistances would be the levels of 10,926, 10,936, 10,950 and 11,000, 11,090, 11,171 levels. Those are the resistances we have to watch out for. MACD is flat to flattish. MACD is up a bit. However, we can see that there is not much of MACD crossover happening over here, or it is moving upwards because there is hardly any momentum in the market. And fast stochastic and slow stochastic is already in overbought zone, which shows that the market may go downwards from here onwards. So that's the technical knowledge for today, guys. This Saturday and Sunday I will be launching a new course which is called as non-directional trading technique, where you can make around 3% to 15% consistent returns on a monthly basis with an investment of around 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh rupees in the market. So this is possible. I have been doing it and I will give you the web page where you can access that and see if this course suits you. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.